Now, welcome back to the channel, all my haulers and ballers. And today, we're back at a job we started a few days ago. Ain't that right, JoJo?
Yes, and this is a live premiere video, so we're watching this right along with you. So leave a comment, hit like, subscribe. Let us know how your day's going today. And today, we have the Julio with us.
Hey guys, how you guys doing? Stay tuned for the rest of the video.
Looking for a monster right now, so he was telling me that he's seen a scary movie, and in that scary movie there was a monster at the top of the stairs in the attic.
Chasing these ghosts, baby.
He's a damn weirdo for sure. So JoJo, let's show them the job.
Yeah, so we started this job already, and this is what's left of it. So we have to take all of this, and there is also some stuff in the backyard, and we're going to come back and get the metal because our next job of the day is nothing but metal, and we'll show you that. So here's a quick tip. If your client's not going to be there, have them leave you notes, either blue tape on things that are not going. This says keep all shelves, so we're not going to pull these off. And attic is empty, so we're not even going to go up there. But she wants us to keep this. Keep this. So it's just something your client can do if they're not going to be there, and you want to make it as convenient as possible for your clients because they don't have to be there sometimes. They could leave you notes, let you know what goes, what stays, and even pay with a credit card when you're done. They don't need to be there.
Now, if there's one thing I learned in this business is that not every customer is going to pay your price.
They're just not your customer.
So make sure you smash that like button, and if you want to know how much money we made, make sure you watch the video to the very end.
So 10 minutes later, we are done in the back. Come take a look.
Julio, what the hell are you doing? You're supposed to be working.
Hey man, I am working. I'm working on this summer body, baby.
Whatever. So yeah, the backyard is done. It took about 10 minutes, and it is looking good, huh, JoJo?
Yep.
So check out the find of the day.
That's it. Found the day right here.
We got some stew, and look what the Julio got. He can go to church now.
Got a nice jacket.
Oh, it's London fog. You know how expensive
We're
that is?
definitely taking it, dude.
Put it on real quick, see what it looks like.
Tell me if I look fancy afterwards, dude.
He got a new haircut.
Oh, wow. It doesn't get any
Pencil.
fancier than London fog.
You look pretty good.
I think I'm taking it, dude.
Your woman might start having sex with you again. Seriously, you look pretty fancy, dude.
Take
They
it.
have 5 children. Sex is not a problem.
Bringing that home or what?
I'm taking it, dude. I'm trying. Yeah.
And I'll bring this whole basket home. We coming up today. We eating some stew, some cookies. Oh yeah. So the first load is done. You guys ready to do a thumbnail or what? Let's do it.
Yeah, let's do it.
Do it over here too. I think that works. What do you think?
Yeah.
Now let's do the prediction of the dump fee. And JoJo, you go first.
I'm going to say $80.
Julio?
I'm gonna say 95.
95. I'm gonna say $79. Wow. So let's see what happens.
Okay.
You ready or what?
Yeah.
Let's head to the landfill. It's hot in here. Julio, turn on the AC. Damn.
Mr. 5150, Matt.
Oh, yeah, you already know that. And the Julio has the tip of the day. And Julio, what's the tip of the day?
The tip of the day is this: make sure you always look busy and carry a broom with you.
What the hell, JoJo? Did he just say? Always look busy and carry a broom?
Yeah, I'm gonna have my eyes out for you. If ever I see you holding a broom, I don't know.
There's some guys at the dumps over here. We call them the broom people, the broom guys, because they're always walking around carrying a broom and not sweeping up nothing. Ain't that right, JoJo?
That's what they do. They just carry a broom. They lean on the broom. They sweep a little with the broom. If you look at them, they start using their broom.
They're making themselves look busy.
So that's the tip of the day from the Julio. So we're heading back to the job. So we're back for round number 2, and we want to give a special shout out to a young 18-year-old kid. His name is what?
Luis Batista.
With L&D, demolition, and junk removal. He's out there killing the game. And look at Julio, he's already working. This is amazing. I thought he was going to walk around with a broom for a second.
But no broom, no broom.
No broom. I think I found my new calling, dude. Ball boy. If you ever need somebody at the golf course, let me know. I'm your man. I got everything you need here.
He does like playing with balls. So we're at the next job of the day, and it's at a mobile home park. There's 230 units here, and they all got new, what, gas meters?
Yeah, they got new gas meters, and they called us to haul all the old ones away. And the scenario is we have to be out of the truck and looking for them. An email was sent out and everybody was supposed to put theirs to the curb, but you know how that goes. Not everybody will do that. So hopefully most people put them right in front of their house, and hopefully they're all easy to spot. And if they didn't do that, then it's a bit of an Easter egg hunt looking for the gas meters.
So happy Easter, everyone. And on the plus side is they're dirty aluminum, so we'll get paid for taking them. There's no dump fee.
There's no dump fee, and we might get a little bit of cash back.
So are you guys ready to get it done or what, Julio?
Let's get it.
Let's do it. You like Easter eggs or what?
I'm ready for Easter. Let's go. Let's get it.
Do it. So these are what they look like right here. That's all we gotta do is just snatch every single one of these up around the park. We're gonna get it done. And those are the new ones right there. Think Julio bad or no?
Feels good. Gotta get the exercise in.
Easy money or what?
All day today, but beautiful.
It is, huh?
Yeah, it is.
So JoJo, how do you like your job today?
It's fine. It's air conditioning.
You lucky thing. So here's the tip of the day. I taught Julio earlier, if she got a credit score over 800, she's good to go. You can get a dump truck, you can get a dump trailer, you can get a yard to park all your stuff. And that's the real tip of the day, Julio.
Plus, a good credit.
Buy one with some good credit. Is it getting hot out here or what?
Hot out here, man.
It's about 90 degrees out here in California right now. It's pretty damn hot. How you feeling in there, JoJo? Got the AC blowing?
I feel awesome.
I bet you do. So jobs completed took about what, JoJo, an hour and a half?
Yep, hour and a half.
And that was a damn workout. How you feeling, Julio?
A little tired today. Not
A
gonna
little
lie.
tired?
A little tired.
And we got this thing stuffed to the gills. There's stuff inside the toolbox. We got gas meters everywhere. Let me show you real quick. It is no joke. Check it out. It is super high. And I got more inside the toolbox. Check that out. There's gas meters everywhere. Now on the scrap price, what do you think we'll get paid, JoJo? What's your guess?
I'm guessing around $100, maybe a little more.
Well, put your prediction in. What is it? 100 what? 110, 115?
120.
120? I'm gonna say 153. And Julio, what's your guess?
The drunk guards are gonna be blessing us today. I say $200.
200.
200.
I like that bet. So we're heading to West Coast Metals and we'll find out what happens. I think I want to change my bet to 300. Julio, what about you?
I say 375.
375? JoJo, you want to change your bet at all?
I don't know. I think it's going to be way more than I have anticipated. So, 225.
All right, let's find out. So guess who won the Julio? Damn you, it's $300 and some change.
I had to get one in.
Does it feel good or what?
Feels pretty freaking good.
Now it's El Luncho. Where are we eating at, JoJo? What's this place called?
Panera?
Panera.
I've not ever been here before. I've heard good things.
Leave a comment down below if you guys ever tried this place.
No.
Never have?
Never.
All right, shit, let's try it out.
Right?
And when you've been working all day and you ain't ate and it's 3 o'clock, everything tastes hella good. So we're going in here right now. Let's try it out. So now it is review time, and I ordered a half a sandwich. I thought it was fried chicken, but I let the JoJo order first, and I copied her, and it was what, an avocado and chicken sandwich, which wasn't fried, but still it was good.
It was really good. Really, really good.
I give it an 8 out of 10. What do you give it?
Me?
Yeah.
What was a sandwich? Maybe an 8 or 9. It's definitely the type of sandwich I really like. So.
Now Julio, what do you give it?
I say 8.5.
8.5.
Trying to eat healthier. So if you want to eat healthy, they got good bread here. Good sandwiches.
He got a fried chicken sandwich. You're full of shit. What'd you order?
Air fried.
Air fried, whatever. So yeah, I give it an 8 and 8.5. It's pretty good.
It's pretty good.
just like that, we're done for the day. And thank you, Lord Jesus. JoJo, it's hot out there, isn't it?
Today was a very hot day.
So hopefully you guys like this video. And JoJo, how much money did we make today?
Bum, chicka, wow, wow.
$2,000 and some change. That ain't a bad day, is it?
That's a great day.
So leave a comment down below. How much money did you guys make today? Leave it in the comments.
Yeah, also leave a comment. Is your phone ringing more? Because it is junk removal season.
And remember one thing, we love all you guys, and we'll catch you on the next video.